Why was the Confederate States Constitution written? Have you ever wondered what drove the Southern states to create their own constitution during the American Civil War? The Confederate States Constitution was written to establish a formal government for the Confederate States of America, which had seceded from the United States. Adopted on March 11, 1861, this document served as the supreme law of the Confederacy. The main reason behind forming the Confederacy and its constitution was to protect and preserve the institution of slavery. This was a central issue that led to the conflict with the Northern states. The Southern states wanted to maintain slavery and even expand it into new territories, which the North opposed. To address these concerns, the Confederate Constitution explicitly protected slavery. It also laid out a government framework that allowed the Confederacy to function independently. One of the key features of this constitution was the establishment of a strong central government. This government had specific powers, such as the ability to declare war, raise armies, and make treaties with other states under certain conditions. Additionally, the Constitution included provisions for uniform laws regarding naturalization and bankruptcy across the Confederacy. It also allowed for the impeachment of federal officials, creating a system that balanced state and federal authority. From a political standpoint, the Confederate Constitution represents an attempt by the Southern states to assert their independence. It aimed to protect their economic and social systems, which relied heavily on slavery. The focus on preserving slavery reflects the core conflict of the Civil War, which ultimately led to the abolition of slavery and the reunification of the United States. In practical terms, the Confederate Constitution played a vital role in organizing the government and military efforts during the Civil War. However, its provisions were never fully realized due to the Confederacy's defeat in 1865. Despite this, the document remains an important historical artifact, illustrating the political and social tensions that led to the Civil War.